Me, you, and my Subaru, doing Reiki sessions in the middle of nowhere. Come along and join me for some Reiki, nature's way. Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I am up on Mount Charleston again at another spot. It is very cloudy today and it is August 2nd, and guess what temperature it is? Guess. 71 degrees and cloudy. You can actually hear a little bit of thunder. We actually heard some thunder off in the distance, but I didn't want to hike too far. We were going to go to Lower Musicom Trail today, but with these clouds, I said forget it. Look at that. I don't think I'm going to be out here for long, so it doesn't make sense for me to get on a trail and then risk getting struck by lightning. That is not something I'm about today or any day, and nobody out there should be hiking in conditions where the weather looks like this. But I mean, if you're caught in it, what can you do? But if you're going to go out and do something, maybe think twice. So we came up with a little plan B and came to this picnic area. So let me show you. So we have a little picnic area, some tables. There's my backpack, and there's some trailheads off that way. I'll show you where that is in a second. I will be right back. So you have this little parking area, and then there's toilets, and on the other side of these trees there's some more places for people to picnic and stuff. But yeah, let me turn around and show you my view. You just hear some birds off in the distance. There is like a pile of trash like right outside of the dumpster. Like, I think something probably tried to pick stuff out of the trash can, and yeah, so you can hear the birds. Listen. Yeah, there's these they are some noisy little crows. All right, let me show you where this trailhead is and where I'm at. I'll be right back. So we're here in the Spring Mountains, and yeah, this is the map. You can pause it if you want to read everything, or I'll take a snapshot of this, but it's a pretty old, gnarly map. Let's go check out the trailhead. And here is the trailhead. I'm not going to be doing this because, as you can see, the ground is wet or moist. So it was raining not too long ago up here. Ooh, look at the mountain. Look how beautiful. And the trail continues up that way. There are tons of trails around here. So after doing a little bit of research on my phone, we are at the Sawmill Trailhead up here on Mount Charleston. These trails are many. There's a lot of them, and you will be around all of these trees. And the trails here are pretty easy. And lots of woods. There was one time, a story. One time we walked through these trails here, and I came across a leg bone, just the bone itself, hanging from a tree. So just want to give you guys a heads up. There are mountain lion up here, so I think that was probably a spot that the mountain lion may have been eating whatever it was, or decided to store it up there. It had no hair on it or any meat left on it, just, you know, the dried tendon leg. It was like just hanging, and I was like, eee, yuck. So yeah, you have to be careful. I know there are wild horses up here, donkey, you'll find coyote, mountain lion, bighorn sheep. I think that is all of the large game. I don't think there's black bear up here. You'd have to do some research. I'm going to do some research on my own, but I don't think there is. But yeah, let's see what else we see. There's some more picnic areas here. Yeah, you can. I don't really know if you have to reserve anything up here. You'd have to do some of your own research, but yeah, you can come up here, get some cool air, and hang out among the trees. So I came across this awesome tree, and it's been raining because there is all this moisture. This tree is completely damp, and I think I know what kind of tree it is. Those right there are juniper berries, I believe. Yeah, I think this is an old juniper tree. I think you make gin out of the berries from this tree. But yeah, look at that. I'll get a picture of this impressive tree in a minute and show it to you guys. So we're going to do some more exploring at a different location, and I'll be back in a little bit. But first I'm going to get a drink. Come over and get a drink. See you guys at the next spot. There's a bee on the windshield. I don't know if you can see him. He's a little blurry. I want him to blow off. He's right there. Aww. Oh my god, the bee. The bee is stuck. It's blurry. I'm sorry you're not going to be able to see him clearly, but he is like clamped down onto the windshield, and his wings are like flying. Poor bee. Hopefully he'll survive. So it looks like the bee is still alive, and he's just stuck there. I don't want to sting, get stung, but I want to make him move. He's stuck. I think he's stuck. So this is Lower Bristlecone Trailhead, which will lead to Upper Bristlecone, of which I had showed you guys in one of my other videos. But we are going to do this hike soon. I can't do it today because the weather has been unpredictable, but I'm going to check it out. So I'm going to show you the start of this trailhead at least, so you can see what to expect. It's very beautiful up here. You have a ton of ponderosa pines, which are, of course, some of the common pine trees in this area. And of course, aspen, I don't see any right now. And we have a no parking sign because you should not be driving a hiking trail. But that is the start, and it'll take you all the way up. It's pretty steep, but this way is actually easier than the other way in my other video, which is from Upper Bristlecone. So yeah, it's beautiful. Let me show you something. Oh my gosh. Everywhere you look, there's something gorgeous, and I just love being out here. But let's look at this. Do you see all of the clouds and mist at the top of the mountain up there? Rain has just come through here. So the clouds are kissing the mountain peaks here. It's gorgeous. So yeah, stay tuned for next time. I am definitely going to hike this, but it's weather permitting. So if it's not safe, I'm not going to do it. But if the weather opens up and it's not as cloudy and there's no threat of thunderstorms, I'm going to hike this. I'm going to hike this way and go all the way up. So, I want to thank you guys once again for joining me on another one of my little mini adventures, and I hope that you come back soon to hang out with me again. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please check out my shop and Patreon. My information is in the description box below. And of course, all of your support means I can continue to do Reiki nature's way. Until next time, bye for now.